In this video, let's try to understand what we mean with odds in favor or odds against. It's important to know these terms because they come in some questions. So only if you know them, you will be able to correctly interpret these terms. Let's take an example. Say team A is playing a match, and for team A, it's given that odds in favor of team A is 1 to 3. What does that mean? This means that in 1 plus 3, that is in 4 matches, A will win 1 time. So if A will win 1 time in 4 matches, what is the probability of A winning in 1 match? That's 1 divided by 4, right? That's favorable by total. And favorable is 1 and total is 4. So if it's given that odds in favor of team A is 1 to 3, that means that probability of A winning is 1 by 4. Now, odds against is just the opposite. So the same scenario in terms of odds against would have been mentioned that odds against team A is 3 to 1. So that means that the probability of A failing is 3 divided by 3 plus 1, which is equal to 3 by 4. And we know that these two are one and the same. Probability of A winning is 1 by 4. Probability of A failing is 3 by 4. So these are complements of each other. So it's one and the same. So you could have expressed it as odds in favor of team A is 1 to 3 or odds against team A is 3 to 1. Let's do this question. 5 games are to be played between team A and team B. The odds in favor of team A is 1 to 3. What is the probability of team A winning 4 games out of 5 games? Alright, now from this fact over here that odds in favor of team A is 1 to 3, we can find the probability of A winning. That would be 1 divided by 1 plus 3, which is equal to 1 by 4. Alright, now after we have arrived at this conclusion, this is just a case where you have to win R times out of N times, right? And in this case, we have to win 4 times out of 5 times. This can be solved, we have seen, using the formula NCR P to the power R Q to the power N minus R. Over here N is 5, R is equal to 4, and P we have got it as 1 by 4, and Q is equal to 1 minus P, which is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4, which is equal to 3 by 4. So this over here becomes 5C4, 1 by 4 to the power 4, 3 by 4 to the power 1. This can be simplified as 5 into 1 by 4 to the power 4 into 3 by 4, which is equal to 15 by 1024, which is your answer.